I really congratulate you for sharing all the blessings.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
My question now is that there is a big gap between the rich and the poor. The rich will become richer and the poor will become poorer, and there is no in between, I believe. So how will that really enhance the image of the Philippines as a number 2 tourism spot destination?
Yes. Well, let me tell you, sir, that in fact, I have to inform you that the gap between the rich and the poor is kind of like it's not that far anymore. You know why? Because you know that the first thing that the Philippines is very famous for is the exporting of their manpower, right? That's why we have a lot of OFWs working all over the world. And because of this, the poorest of the poorest they've had that opportunity to alleviate themselves from their impoverished stage in the past. A lot of them have already improved their lifestyle because of members of their families going abroad, taking jobs abroad, and earning so much dollars and sending it to the Philippines. So in fact, right now I could say we have a very good, strong middle class because of this OFW. And don't forget that there has emerged a new industry in the Philippines which we call the sunshine industry, and this is the business process outsourcing industry. A lot of these people, a lot of our Filipino citizens get hired by companies abroad who have their back-end businesses in the Philippines, that's the BPO. And they are very highly paid employees. That's why the Philippines has called it the sunshine industry, because that is now the source of income of the Philippine government.